You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. Yes, I know it is very confusing, but the pronunciation is easy once you know. If you want to learn more vocabulary, stay tuned, I've got more coming up for you. It's pronounced simply oust. Both British and American English pronunciations, UK or US, are similar, and it's essentially just like out. You know the word out, to go out. Well, same but with an S, so oust. Oust is how you pronounce it. How to pronounce house? No, not housed. Oust. Oust pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.